Hey there. This is what you call a router, and a lot of people have these. Some people have only a modem, and some people have what would be called a router in addition to a modem. And if you can't get on the internet, what you're going to want to do first off is call your internet service provider and find out whether there's an outage in your area. And if they say there's no outage in your area, one thing you can do is go to your router if you have one and disconnect the power cable. It's usually like a skinny black cable. It's not going to be one of these cables with connectors right here, these plastic connectors. It's going to be the kind of black cable near the end that is kind of skinny, and then you're going to want to unplug it. And when you unplug it, you should see all the lights on your router go out. Now, if you also have a modem, then you're going to want to go to your modem and you're going to want to find the similar cable, which is right there. That's your power cable, and you just pull it out of the back of the modem, and then you're going to see all of the lights on your modem go out. Now, if you're not seeing any lights at all to begin with, you may have broken equipment, but you should be seeing some lights. And then after you disconnect the power cables, you're going to wait a second, and then maybe like you're going to wait like a minute. And then what you're going to do is you're going to plug the power back into your modem if you have a modem router configuration. Then you're going to wait until all the lights come back on the way they should. And then you're going to go to your router and you're going to plug the power back into that. And then you're going to wait another minute until all those lights come back on. And then check and see if you have the internet. Go to your computer and go to a website that you don't normally go to, maybe, and go to a few of them and see if you can get there. And if you can get there, you're good, and if you can't, you can't, and you'll have to call someone like me, and you can. My name's Dave Bensman. I'm Bensman Home Computer Repair, and I can come to your house and fix your computer while you wait. My number is 901-830-4362. Have a great day.